We're currently looking at two tropical systems. The first one, Tropical Storm Honde, situated in the Mozambique Channel, expected to intensify into a tropical cyclone on Thursday, moving in a southeastwards direction, mainly affecting the western and southwestern regions of Madagascar, with strong winds, torrential rains and rough seas, especially the southwestern regions. Then we're also looking at Tropical Storm Garance, situated north of Réunion, expected to intensify into a tropical cyclone on Thursday, affecting Réunion and Mauritius, but especially Réunion, with strong winds, heavy rain and rough seas mainly on Thursday and Friday. We know multiple weather warnings has already been issued for these countries, so please be on the lookout for those warnings and please be safe if you are traveling or living in these countries. Taking a look at our accumulated rainfall model and taking it all the way to Sunday evening, we can see those heavy rain over the western and especially the southwestern regions of Madagascar. More than 500 millimeters of rain is likely to accumulate over the southwestern regions in the vicinity of Toliara, so please be careful in those regions. This amount of rain can be life-threatening. Now, these two systems hold no threat to South Africa. Back home, we are expecting significant rain over the central regions of the country, with more than 50 millimeters of rain likely to accumulate up until Sunday evening over parts of northwest Gauteng, as well as in Mpumalanga, the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal, with isolated areas possibly seeing up to 100 millimeters of rain and the black spots coming through over parts of northwest and KwaZulu-Natal. Significant rain also expected this weekend around the Overberg, with up to 15 millimeters of rain likely in this region. The Weather Service is warning against severe thunderstorms leading to hail, damaging winds, heavy rain and excessive lightning over the Northern Cape, northwest, the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. So here's your Thursday forecast. On Thursday morning, foggy conditions expected over the southern regions, the eastern part of the country, KwaZulu-Natal and the Highveld, so please be careful when traveling in those regions. Then from early morning, showers and thunderstorms already possible over parts of northwest, the Free State and the Northern Cape. Into the afternoon, a surface trough extending over the western interior. East of this trough, we are expecting those scattered showers and thunderstorms, with some severe thunderstorms likely over parts of the Northern Cape, northwest, the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, where we have that yellow level 2 warning in place. Isolated showers and thunderstorms possible in parts of Limpopo, with scattered showers and thunderstorms in Gauteng. Morning thunderstorms possible over parts of the Northern Cape, with drizzle around the western coast, and then thunderstorms possible in the Karoo and parts of the western and eastern Cape, with showers mainly along the southern and the eastern coastline. A very poor PV harvest over the southern and eastern regions of the country. Into the afternoon, an average to poor PV harvest over the central and eastern regions due to partly cloudy skies and stormy conditions. Northeasterly winds blowing fresh at times along the eastern coast, fresh to strong easterly to southeasterly winds picking up along the southern and the southwestern coast, a westerly to northwesterly wind blowing fresh over the western interior, with the Weather Service warning against runaway fires over parts of the Northern Cape, and then fresh winds still expected over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. In the Western Cape, foggy conditions over the western regions at first, later warming up with temperatures reaching 30 degrees Celsius in Ferendale and Klein Willem. Southeasterly winds blowing fresh to strong over the southwestern and the southern coastline. Cloudy conditions with light showers still expected over parts of the Overberg and Garden Route, but isolated thunderstorms in parts of the Karoo, with temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius in the Karoo, but only in the mid-20s for the southern coastline. Foggy conditions at first in the Eastern Cape, later light showers for the eastern areas, but then scattered thunderstorms possible over the northern parts, with some of these storms likely to become severe. Foggy conditions at first in KwaZulu-Natal, later light showers still possible over the coastal regions, scattered thunderstorms into the afternoon over the northwestern regions, where we have that yellow level 2 warning in place for severe thunderstorms. The same warning also in place over parts of Mpumalanga, where we are expecting scattered showers and thunderstorms, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, but above 30 in the low veld. Isolated showers and thunderstorms possible in Limpopo, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, reaching 30 the afternoon in Tabazimbi and Senin. In northwest, scattered showers and thunderstorms still possible this Thursday. The Weather Service warning against severe thunderstorms with a quick heavy downpour, possibly leading to localized flooding, so please be careful in this province. In the Northern Cape, cloudy and foggy conditions along the western coast with light drizzle possible. Windy conditions later expected over the central regions with isolated thunderstorms over the central parts, but becoming scattered over the northeastern regions where we have that yellow level 2 warning in place for severe thunderstorms. The same warning also in place over parts of the Free State where we are expecting scattered showers and thunderstorms on Thursday afternoon, temperatures in the upper 20s and reaching 30 the afternoon in Bloemfontein. Temperatures only around the mid-20s for Gauteng with scattered showers and thunderstorms possible into the afternoon. On Friday, we're still expecting stormy conditions in and around Gauteng, temperatures remaining in the mid-20s. Light showers still possible over the eastern coast with temperatures in the lower to mid-20s and foggy conditions expected on Friday morning in the city of Cape Town. Then on Saturday, scattered showers and thunderstorms yet again possible in northwest Gauteng, the Free State, over the Highveld, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Some of these storms likely to become severe, produce heavy rainfall and localized flooding, so please be careful. Foggy conditions expected in the morning over the Karoo, with some light showers for the southern coastline and temperatures in the mid-20s. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe this Thursday and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.